Hey guys, it's JP from XL Service Bodies. For over 35 years, we've been manufacturing the service body in Australia, in Queensland. We're a family-run business, and this right here is also an Australian first. The Super Duty was pioneered by Ford Australia engineers, and we've been across it for several years, and we want to show you what we've come up with. This is the XL Pro. Let's have a look. Guys, the Ford Ranger Super Duty is a 4.5 ton rated vehicle, 4.5 ton GVM. That hit a sweet spot. That gives us about another ton of payload that we can put on top of our payload inventory on our service body. So let's have a look on how we've created a storage system and electrical system that is world-class, beyond anything that's out there in the market today. We've got a lot of good competitors in our industry that are making great service bodies, and we applaud them. But we also think we're still doing it better than anybody else, and we'll show you why. XL makes the most secure service bodies in the market. Let me show you exactly what I mean by that. We actually pioneered this handle over 5 years ago. This actually uses a Euro cylinder. You could change it to your home key if you want to. Nobody's gonna have J201 through 220. You could go to any locksmith and get keys to most service body manufacturers in the country by just asking for a key. Not us. We don't do it. We haven't done it for over 10 years. We also have two-stage rotary latching, okay? That makes it to where if your body flexes, your door's not gonna open no matter what. We do not have any open door vents. XL was the first company to introduce central locking. XL was the first company to introduce Euro cylinder handles. XL will continue to be the first in the pioneering innovation. This is the most secure service body in the market. I put my word on it. Guys, there's a lot of features in this service body and the vehicle, so if you can, give me 5 minutes, we'll go through each one of them. All right guys, and now on the lower boxes, we actually like the drawer feature. This is awesome. Everybody loves this. That way when you open your door on other service bodies and canopies, normally people open it up and all the inventory could fall out, and you really got to bend down to see what you got in there. With here, you actually got your inventory right in front of your face. You close it up, and soon that's going to be a slam handle. Guys, we have a huge compartment here. Max kg rating to 90 kilograms on each shelf. This is a Milwaukee Packout integrated shelf. Gives you a lot of versatility. We break it up so that way you can actually get in, see what your inventory is, and move on. We've been doing the Milwaukee Packout for, well, I don't know, 6, 7 years now. Around here, we've got actually XL's 3D printed glands to actually cover the radar. So this is your rear cross traffic radar, integrated, tested. It works, looks schmick, it's out of the way. It's not gonna get damaged when you're off-roading and so forth. This is a work in progress. This is a step access because the Ford Ranger Super Duty, it's a high platform. It's up like another 140 mils or something like that. So how are you gonna get up there without some steps? So we got 3 points of contact. We come up here, we get to our load, we can get into the aisle. This load bar has actually got a center demount, so you can take out the center bars if you have a high load. Say you're putting in a 50-gallon drum, you need to tie it down. Boom, you take out the center bars and away you go. You still got your supports on the outside. This is another cool feature. This almost feels like, you know, something straight out of the Ford factory when you slam it up, slam it down. In here you got a hidden lock, full trundle. Got a safe crowbar store. You can put your shovels in here, close it up. It's built shit tough, guys. As Ford would say, Ford tough. Come around here. One of the other things that we do that other body manufacturers don't do, nor possibly can do because they don't have the type of machinery that we have, is we chamfer the corners. We chamfer the corners for a reason, so we don't have to add additional lights. So we got to get 360 degrees with 4 lights, not 8. Most bodybuilders to get 360 degrees have to have 8 lights, 2 on each corner. We got 1 corner, 1 light because we've got the 45-degree chamfer. Coming around, we got a twin box, so in case you're carrying gas, we could depower this box so you don't have an explosive situation. But again, massive storage, all load rated. These drawers just come in, out. You can see your inventory. It's quite cool. Coming around to this side, we did a lot of time. We'll speak about the ZeliX power systems that actually are now available coming in 2026 on a separate video, but you're gonna wanna know about this more than anything actually. And then here, my engineers did a hell of a job while integrating your AdBlue and your fuel filler. A lot of the other bodybuilders are sitting here plonking it in between the body here, and to me it looks like crap. So actually we put a lot of time into making that look nice and sexy. So that's going to be integrated like that on the single cab, the super cab, and the double cab. Again, you got power system, 12 volt, 240 volt, solar input, all coming into one central hub. And then you got digital switching using RF remote controls. It's, it's smooth ass. So you're gonna like it. We're gonna carry on with another more walk around. Guys, this body was made in May. We shipped it to New Zealand. We fitted it to a truck for Ford New Zealand to do the Ford launch for the Super Duty. This is actually now the actual product, final. This is ours. We're planning on building a few bodies on this particular one and showcasing it around certain shows, letting customers take it for a week or two just to try it out, to get their feet wet, But you gotta see, this is the rear DAT bar. This is coming on all Ford Ranger Super Duties, which has got the integrated radar. It's got reverse park sensors, and it's got the 360-degree camera. But what it doesn't have is steps. So I guarantee you, early next year, we're gonna have an elegant solution similar to what you see here on a prototype, but it's gonna work with your radar, your 360-degree camera, and the Bliss system, which is what Ford called their whole 360-degree safety package. Now, one of the reasons why Ford Australia trusts XL Service Bodies to be a Ford Pro converter is because they've been in our factory several times. They've audited us several times. They know that we work in the world-class machinery. Brands like Amada, Salvagnini, just to name a few. We've got replication processes here that actually make products exactly the same every time. I mean, if you just have a look at this machine and what it does, it folds our corners. So the folding abilities of our business is second to none in the game. So we're really proud of how we do it, how we design, and how we work with advanced sheet metal machinery. This is one of our newest machines. It's an Amada combination laser turret punch, which gives us the ability to actually have free form cutting and also do form ups, form downs, and thread. I kind of call this machine my hungry hippo as well, because we've got towers that feed it through the weekend. It runs lights out with zero or little observations. It actually cuts the parts using laser or turret punch, and then it's actually got what's called a TK. It's a part takeout system. So if you watch out here, you're going to see in a minute, without breaking the light curtain, you can come right in here and you can see what I call a hungry hippo. He's over there, that big red robot's there is going to come out and take the part out. So what this does is it takes out the mundane manufacturing labor of actually taking the parts out of a cut piece of steel and placing it and then getting rid of the skeleton. This machine system does it all, and that's why we continue to invest in advanced machinery. We got to take the pain points out of manufacturing in this country, or else we won't be doing it. Guys, we got one last thing to do before we actually put the XL Pro on the market, and that's test the hell out of it. So today we're going to be removing the service body that you see here, the XL Pro, and we're going to be putting it on our proprietary accelerated vibration test rig. We're going to beat the hell out of it and see what happens. We're fairly confident we got the design right, but it's nothing like seeing a physical test. So stay tuned and you'll see some video updates on that test and see how she goes. Thank you.